In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce or compress a PDF file size using Adobe Acrobat. This is a quick and easy tutorial designed to help you manage file sizes effectively, especially when sharing PDFs via email or uploading them to websites with strict size limitations. Let's dive right into the process, guiding you step by step to ensure everything is smooth and straightforward. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Simply launch the Acrobat application on your computer and then navigate to the file you wish to compress. Opening your file is as easy as clicking File on the menu bar and selecting Open, or you could simply drag and drop your file into the Acrobat interface. Once your file is open, take a moment to ensure you have all the content you need, as these steps will modify the document to a more manageable size. Next, you're going to focus on the menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this menu to see a list of options. These are essentially your gateway to managing your PDF. Here, click on the option that says Save as Other. This is incredibly important because it gives you alternatives to the regular saving process, crucial for accessing the Reduce Size feature. After selecting Save as Other, you will see another option that says Reduce Sized PDF. Click on it. This is the heart of the process where Adobe Acrobat's functionality really shines, allowing you to streamline the size of your file without losing essential information. When you click this option, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to make additional selections. At this point, it's important to select the appropriate compatibility level for the Acrobat versions. Acrobat will ask you to choose a version for ensuring that your newly compressed PDF can be opened with different versions of Adobe products. Choose a version that suits your needs, generally going with a higher compatibility if you're sending this to someone unsure about their version. Once you've selected the compatibility level, click on OK to confirm your choice. It's an essential step and confirms that you're ready to create a more compact version of your document. The final move in this process is simple yet crucial. Click Save. By doing so, your PDF will be saved as a new, smaller file. Ensure that you've chosen an appropriate name or location so you can easily retrieve your compressed PDF later. And there you have it, you've successfully reduced your PDF file size using Adobe Acrobat. This straightforward process helps ensure your files are easy to handle, share, and store without compromising on quality. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. See you in the next video.